When performing this exercise, slowly rotate your head in a circular motion. You want to start off in a small diameter, and as you start to get used to it, start to increase the diameter. Make sure you want to stay in your comfortable range of motion. You want to first start clockwise and then go counterclockwise. 10 times one direction, 10 times the opposite direction. In order to execute this exercise, keep your feet a little bit more than shoulder width apart and your hands on your hips. You want to first rotate your trunk in a circular motion in a small diameter. As you start to feel a little bit more comfortable, increase the diameter. Make sure to always stay within your comfort range. You want to make sure you go 10 times clockwise and 10 times counterclockwise. When performing this exercise, keep your feet about shoulder width apart and your hands on your hips. You want to rotate your hips in a circular motion. You can first start off in a small diameter, and as you feel comfortable, increase the diameter. Make sure you go 10 times clockwise and then 10 times counterclockwise. When performing this exercise, keep your feet and your knees close together and your hands over your kneecaps. You want to rotate in a circular direction, going clockwise about 10 times, then counterclockwise 10 times. When performing this exercise, swing both your arms up towards the air. When you go up, make sure you're on the tips of your toes. Then you want to bend your knees and squat down and sweep down towards the floor. When you perform this exercise, go through your pain-free range of motion. You want to make sure that you execute this exercise 5 to 10 times. In order to execute this exercise, approximate your ear towards your hiked up shoulder. With your head, you want to rotate your head towards the side that you hiked your shoulder, but lateral bend or bend your head away from that direction. As well, with your arm, you want to reach towards the opposite pant pocket and help use your hand to guide you towards that direction in a diagonal fashion. And when you perform this exercise, you should feel a stretch in your shoulder-neck complex. As well, you want to stay within your comfort range. Perform this 5 to 10 times on the left side, 5 to 10 times on the right side. To execute this exercise, use the meaty part of your thumb and place it right on your collarbone. Use your other hand as additional weight to help draw down the collarbone. Tucking your chin, rotate your head towards your hands and rotate your head backwards in a semicircular fashion until you reach the opposite end. You should feel a stretch to the front to side part of your neck. You always want to make sure that you stay within your comfort range. Do it 5 to 10 times one direction, 5 to 10 times the opposite direction.